Welcome to our data science online training video. Data science is an interdisciplinary field focused on extracting meaningful insights from data. This introductory session prepares you for the demo by covering core concepts, tools, and real-world applications. We aim to show how raw data transforms into meaningful insights. The main purpose of data science is to extract meaningful insights to support better decision-making. This includes data-driven decision-making, prediction and forecasting, and promoting innovation for a competitive advantage in the market. Data science is a combination of statistics, mathematics, computer science, and domain expertise. We'll cover key areas like machine learning, which builds predictive models, and data analysis, which uses statistical techniques to identify patterns and trends. Key features of this training include an introduction to the data science lifecycle and a hands-on demonstration. You will learn data cleaning and pre-processing techniques, an overview of Python and essential libraries, and exploratory data analysis and data visualization. Data science involves collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data to solve real-world problems. The process starts with problem definition, which translates business objectives into data-driven questions. This is followed by data collection, ensuring that the acquired information is relevant and accurate. This data science demo offers user benefits such as faster task completion through automation and an easy, clear workflow. Furthermore, participants gain hands-on practical exposure by working with actual datasets. Job rules, as guidelines and regulations, help maintain discipline and professionalism. Some of the rules include maintaining order and discipline, promoting fairness and equality, protecting employee rights, improving workplace productivity, ensuring safety and security, and getting final results with ease. In conclusion, data science is critical in transforming raw data into meaningful insights. By combining statistical analysis, programming, and machine learning, organizations can uncover patterns, predict outcomes, and optimize performance. Thank you for watching the video. Please feel free to reach out to us with any questions.